siRNA technology. It is commonly called as, you can say that, small interfering RNA or short interfering RNA, and it is abbreviated as siRNA. Now this siRNA, it is very important tool of RNA interference. So by using this tool, the expression of a particular protein that is encoded by a particular gene, it is being silenced. So this is called as the RNAi or RNA interference. And for this purpose, for the silencing of the gene, we can use double-stranded RNA fragments. So those double-stranded RNA fragments, they may be 20 to 25 base pair in length. So इस टेक्नोलॉजी को हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं ऐसे जीन्स के एक्सप्रेशन को साइलेंस करने के लिए जिनका हम प्रोडक्ट जो है वो उसका एनालिसिस करना चाह रहे होते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द बेसिक strategy that here the expression of the gene, it is silenced temporarily. So here the gene we are not going to knock out. So you must be able to differentiate here that here the silencing, it is not permanent, it is rather temporary. So you should not confuse this temporary silencing with the gene knockout. Rather, we can apply another term which may be called it as the gene knockdown. That its expression, it is going to lower or silenced for a particular time period. So in most of the cases, it is not a permanent trait that is inherited from one generation to another. Like in case of knockout or knock-ins, the trait, it is inherited from one generation to another. Whereas in case of knockdown, where the expression, it is temporarily silenced, it is not a permanent trait. Rather, the experiments may last for a few days. So this technology, that is siRNA, it has not only used for the study of some vital genes or some coding region of the DNA, rather it has been used to study the non-coding regions of the nucleic acid or DNA molecule. Now what is the basic strategy? How we can knock down the expression of a particular gene? कि किस तरह से एक जीन जो कि सेल के अंदर एक्सप्रेस हो रहा है वो अपना मैसेंजर आरएनए बना रहा है, किस तरह से हम उसके एक्सप्रेशन को लोअर कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि इसमें हम एक डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए का मॉलिक्यूल यूज करते हैं जिसकी लेंथ जो है वो 20 to 25 बेस पेयर्स तक हो सकती है. तो इसके 5 प्राइम एंड पे फॉस्फेट होता है, 3 प्राइम एंड पे हाइड्रोक्साइल होता है, लेकिन 3 प्राइम एंड पे इसके जो 2 न्यूक्लियोटाइड हैं वो अनपेयर्ड होते हैं या डाई न्यूक्लियोटाइड ओवरहैंग्स होते हैं. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस. सो डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए, देन बाय यूजिंग some transfection techniques, they are being inserted into the cell. इसमें हम ट्रांसफेक्शन के प्रोसेस को यूज करते हैं. अब डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटजीज हैं इंसर्ट करने की. जैसे कि आपको मालूम है कि इसमें हम इलेक्ट्रोपोरेशन को यूज कर सकते हैं, लिपिड कैरियर या कैटोनिक लिपिड वेसिकल्स यूज कर सकते हैं. तो somehow now our short double-stranded RNA molecule, now it is inside the cell. And this double-stranded DNA molecule we have synthesized in vitro so that its sequence is known and we have the idea that which gene we are going to target. तो जो हम जीन टारगेट कर रहे हैं, जिसके एक्सप्रेशन को हम साइलेंस करना चाह रहे हैं या लोअर करना चाह रहे हैं, इसका जो डबल स्ट्रैंडेड है हमारा जो फ्रैगमेंट है, इसको कम्प्लीमेंट्री होना चाहिए विद द टारगेट जीन. सो नो इट इज इंसर्टेड and it will interact with some multi-complex protein inside the cell, which may be called as RISC. That is, may be abbreviated as RNA-induced gene silencing. So this multi-complex protein, it will interact with double-stranded RNA molecule, and one of the strand, it is being lysed like the sense strand. It is degraded by this protein, and the antisense strand, now it will form base pairing with the target messenger RNA. When it is going to base pair with the target messenger RNA, then with the passage of time it will be degraded. And this is the basic strategy, that the genes whose expression we want to knock down or lower or silenced, it is being, their messenger RNA are being degraded by the siRNA. कि siRNA जो है, ये messenger RNA जो target protein का है, उसके साथ base pairing करके उसको degrade कर देता है, so that it is not going to be in the process of translation. So this is the basic strategy to knock down or to lower the expression of the target gene in the cell by using double-stranded siRNA molecule.